Buying and drinking alcohol in Oman. Did you know alcohol is widely available in Oman and can be purchased easily? Hi, my name is Raja Mughal. In this video, we'll talk about what is liquor laws in Oman. You can buy alcohol in Oman at the airport, in hotels and bars, and at the licensed liquor store around the country. If you want to buy liquor in Oman's airport, it is limited to 2 bottles of wine or 24 cans of beer per person. The person purchasing the alcohol at the airport or anywhere else in Oman must be over the age of 21 years. Non-Muslim expats are allowed to purchase alcohol from licensed bottle store. However, they must carry an Oman liquor license in order to do so. It is illegal to carry alcohol around the streets, the only exception being when you are taking your purchases home directly from the liquor store or airport's duty free. Keep your bill with you as this gives you the right to transport the alcohol. It is also illegal to resell alcohol to others or to purchase from individuals. While this is being practiced in some areas, I strongly advise you against any illegal transaction while in Oman, as this may land you in some very hot water. So now we'll talk about how you can get Oman liquor license. In order to get an alcohol license in Oman, you must have a residence visa and be a non-Muslim. If you are both, you can apply for a liquor license and you are allowed to keep alcohol in your home. The amount of alcohol you are allowed to purchase from a store is directly related to your salary, and you can spend only 10% of your monthly income on alcohol at the bottle store. In order to get the liquor license in Oman, you will need an objection letter from your sponsor, photocopy of your passport with the valid residence visa, and a photocopy of your residence card, and two passport size photographs on a blue background. Have all these documents, then submit your documents and fill the permit application from licensing office or store like Oman United Agencies, African, Eastern. You will need to pay the applicable fee of 4% of the annual permit value using your debit or credit card. Alternatively, you can visit the Ruvi police station with the following documents: copy of your passport and labor card, NOC from your sponsor, and two passport size photographs with the blue background. The application process is very easy and your permit will be ready sooner than you think. The license is typically valid for a period of 2 years, and then you have to renew it. Just take the same documents along with your expired liquor license and get a new one if you want to renew your old license. I will tell you some famous liquor stores in Oman. Number one is African and Eastern, and the second one is Oman United Agencies, and third one is Gulf Supply Services. These all stores are located in Al Khuwair, and they offering very good price. You should visit. I hope you like today's video. If you like it, please give it thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you want to know more about Man. I'll see you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.